Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, after a little bit of a delay, we're going to get back on the 74 Blazer. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so Ed got the seats back from the upholsterer, and they look awesome. They did a really nice job on them. Ed wanted to have them with, a little bit of, not all vinyl in the middle. So it's a little cooler in the summertime, and these things look awesome. They did a great job. Alright guys, we're going to be doing a little work on the Blazer today. I hope you enjoy it. I don't know how far we're going to get or how much we're going to do, but we'll see. Anyway, I got a couple of the lights in that are working here. I got the one over here in, but as you can see, it's not working. Ed just ran over to get bulbs so we can get those functioning. There we go, all the side marker lights working. There's one sticking out the side. We haven't assembled that one yet, but got the whole side marker light thing and running lights working. Making a little more progress. I'm going to show you guys something cool about these lights. If you look on them, right in the center, they say power beam on them. These are the original lights that came in these trucks. Some of you may remember them. It says guide right down here, and then power beam in the center. There you go. You can see it pretty well there, I think. So I went out and found two of these in some old trucks that we had laying around here. I went through 5 lights before I found 2 that were good. Okay, so I'm going to take this 350 grill emblem out of this old grill and install it in the new grill, and we'll stick with the using old parts. Alright, so we're going to put this in here. It drops in right here. It's aftermarket. Hopefully it goes down in there. And it's not. Hold on. Let me stick it in from the back one time and see what the deal is. Those holes are not big enough. I got to drill the holes bigger. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and drill these 2 holes out, and hopefully they become bigger when I do it. Just taking my time not to crack the grill or anything. A little more. One more step down and I think we'll be good. Alright, it'll work now. Let's flip this bad dog over and install it. Oh, there we go. It's in. That's what it's going to look like. Alright, so Cayman's out here scrubbing down these headlight bezels to try to get them all shined up and ready to go. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to paint them. There's a black insert in them, and we're going to go ahead and get those painted black so they look brand new. Again, we found a really nice set of originals, and so we're going to use original parts wherever we can. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to install the grill. They go in these tabs that you see here. I've got to find some hardware. The center ones are in place, but I got to find something that goes in these so it'll hold the grill. Okay, I found some clips. We'll put this up here. There we go, all done. Looks nice and shiny. It's coming along. Here's Cayman being the masking maniac. Just hammering out the masking.
Oh yeah. I'd love to see it.
He said this is what he wants to do for the rest of his life.
Without a doubt. Just tape, tape, tape.
All front ends put together. Just ram it home. Yeah, I think you get the little rubber daubers in there, it'd be perfect. That made a huge transformation on this. Yeah. Yeah. They do. Yeah, they really cleaned up nice and Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be sure to come back next time. Thanks for watching.